the grocery store yesterday.
Whoa, significant.
It was so
What a
exciting.
dream.
I drove
You
the
love the
second
store.
time in 6 months.
It's your favorite thing, the
Yes.
grocery store. As a former Husky boy, I can tell you, I was an enabler in that habit, in your love of grocery stores. You know, when you're
Yes.
a Husky boy, you really part of the problem. I'm part of the problem. I'm not part of the solution. Last time we went through taking a photo with the Instagram camera. If you remember, we went through
Yes.
capturing a video with the Instagram camera. And then we spent the rest of the time really on stories. So we went through
Yes.
all the stuff with stories. Well, actually, not all the stuff, because that's where we're going to pick back up. Amazingly enough, there is still more to stories. So I'm actually not going to tell you. I'm going to almost quiz you. So now I want you to go to
Oh, don't do that.
stories.
Don't do
I'm gonna. You're going to be quizzed. So go to stories. Do you remember how to do that?
that. No.
Okay. There are two ways. It's all right. F. You fail.
I'm
That's
old.
all right.
I see
Okay.
normal, boomerang,
Okay.
create.
So, what I want you to do is at the bottom part of that screen where you see normal, you can tap
Mm-hmm.
or swipe to create. So to create, which is on the to the left of normal. Okay? Did you do that?
I'm swiping, but it's not
Try tapping.
doing that.
Try just tapping on the word create.
Oh,
Okay?
create. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so now I also want you to tap. Now you see that there's live beside create to the left of create. I want you to tap on that.
Yes.
I want to show you what these are. So these are story camera modes. Okay. So I should. Oh my
Okay.
God, she's doing a live video. You are doing a live video right now, and you are. Oh, geez, Louise. Oh,
How do I
geez.
stop?
Yeah, exactly, exactly. This is why you don't work ahead. Oh my God. Okay.
Okay, I'm at
Okay.
the camera.
And I want you to get one of the cards and take a photo of it. However artsy, wherever you want to, take it, however you want to do it, I want you to just take a photo of it. Don't post it yet, just take the photo.
Okay. Gotta get.
So now what I want you to do is use at least one of the overlays at the top. You could add some text. You could remember stickers has a whole lot of options in there, so you could, even if it's just putting the time on there or the date.
Okay, I'm gonna hit done, and I'm gonna
Okay.
down. So that color isn't working too well. So
That's
let me
fine.
change the color.
This is part of the creative process. You want it to be something that you like.
Uh-huh.
Where you see the little camera in the blue circle, tap that.
Yes.
This should also look familiar. This is the stories. So you can use what you know from stories to create a video. So again, these things kind of layer on top of each other, right? So direct messages brings in all the other stuff from Instagram for you to use just in one-on-one conversation. So how was the course?
Very enlightening. I had no idea that there was so much stuff on Instagram.
Can you talk about, is there any one thing that kind of stuck out or anything you're taking away from the course?
I really like the story aspect of it and how it offers you so many options.
Was Ross a good instructor? And don't be biased.
You really did do an excellent job of explaining everything and going step by step through everything. And, the fact that you were looking at your phone and I was looking at my phone and seeing the same thing, that was very helpful.
I was really patient, right?
You were patient.
All right.
Considering my age and what a Luddite I am, you did an excellent job.
Thanks, Mom.